In today's video, I'll walk you through the OneXBet registration process step by step and explain how promo codes like VIPBonus233 work, what they mean, where to enter them, and what to expect. This video is for educational purposes only. We're not promoting betting or gambling, just helping you understand how sign-up systems and promo mechanics function safely and responsibly. What is OneXBet and why promo codes exist? OneXBet is an international online entertainment platform that allows users in some countries to access sports markets, casino games, and other interactive activities. Promo codes like VIPBonus233 are essentially marketing tools. They don't affect your odds or gameplay. Instead, they serve as identifiers that can unlock specific welcome offers or bonus conditions when new users register. So when you see something like free promo code today, it doesn't mean free money. It means you may qualify for promotional credit if you meet the platform's conditions. Important legal and regional context. Before we even talk about sign-up, let's cover the important part: legality and age. In India, online gaming and betting are regulated by state laws. Always check if your region allows participation. In Pakistan, most online betting activities are restricted, so viewers there should treat this video purely as informational. In Nigeria, online gaming is legal under regulation, but you should use only officially licensed platforms. And across all regions, you must be 18 or older to register on such platforms. Step-by-step registration process. Now, let's see how the registration process works purely for demonstration. Step 1. Visit the official OneXBet website or the app available for your region. Step 2. Click Register or Sign Up. Step 3. Choose a method. You can sign up via phone, email, or social media. Step 4. Fill in your basic info like name, preferred currency, and country. Step 5. In the box labeled Promo Code, type VIPBonus233. Step 6. Confirm that you're over 18. Agree to the terms and click Register. Once your account is created, you can see what bonus or welcome offer appears under your profile, depending on your region and payment method. Understanding the free promo code, let's clarify what free promo code really means. When you use a code like VIPBonus233, you're not getting direct cash. Instead, you may unlock a conditional welcome bonus. That could include a percentage match on your first deposit, a small free credit usable within the platform, or bonus points that can be activated under certain terms. Each country and payment method may have different requirements, such as minimum deposit amount, wagering turnover, expiration time, for example, within 30 days. Always check those terms and conditions carefully before you proceed. They determine how the bonus works. Common mistakes to avoid. Here are the biggest mistakes new users make. Forgetting to enter the promo code during sign-up. It usually can't be added later. Trying to use multiple codes or accounts. That's against policy. Ignoring deposit or wagering rules, causing the bonus to expire unused. Avoid these by double-checking everything before confirming your account. Let's pause and be real for a moment. Online platforms like OneXBet can be entertaining, but they also involve financial risk. If you choose to participate, make sure you set a clear budget. Never chase losses. Treat it as a form of entertainment, not income. If you feel that gaming affects your well-being, visit BeGambleAware.org or a local responsible gaming helpline for support. Let's recap. Step 1. Visit OneXBet official site. Step 2. Click Register. Step 3. Fill in your details. Step 4. Enter promo code VIPBonus233. Step 5. Review the terms carefully before using any offer. The code simply identifies your registration for a potential welcome bonus. It's not a guarantee of free funds. So that's how the OneXBet registration process and promo codes like VIPBonus233 actually work. If this video helped you understand the system and the importance of reading terms responsibly, please give it a like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. All links mentioned are for educational context, not for promotional purposes. Stay safe, stay informed, and always use digital platforms responsibly.